Hello everyone, as you can see from this bag of goodies I have right here, we are going to be building the Hyperlite Glide frame today, and I'm actually going to be using a lot of old components on this build, so don't heckle me too much in the comments. And this is actually the first commercially available frame that I have built since I built the 6-inch Alien years and years ago, so I'm really excited to build a frame that I do not have to cut out by hand. So let's go ahead and get into the build. Okay, so that is it. This quad is finished. All that's left is to just throw some props on it, but I'm not going to do that until after I'm done setting it up in the computer. So I think this build went pretty smoothly, and because I used a lot of old electronics, it actually went faster than if I had used brand new electronics, just because I knew how to connect everything. Some things were already connected. So in a future video, I will be going more in depth about this frame, the engineering behind it, why I picked it, and why I have this particular setup on this frame. So make sure that you guys get subscribed so that you don't miss that video. And with that said, please like this video if you liked it, and thanks for watching.